Today I'll show you how to remove the memories that appear above your photos on Android phones using Google Photos. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Photos Settings. Tap Preferences. Now choose Memories. Here you can manage memories above the photo view, so you can hide people and pets. You can also hide specific dates. Next, tap on Memory Type. Here you can turn off time-based memories. These are photos from featured days and previous years. You can also turn off themed memories, which include photos about people, places and things. Finally, tap on Creations. Here you can select the types of creations that appear in your memories. If you don't want these to show, simply deselect them all. This change may take a few minutes to reflect on your phone. All done. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video.